Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Bagherwal. Welcome to Salesforce Marketing Cloud series. In this video, I will be talking about how to add Einstein content selection in your email. So here I am on the content builder. I'll just open this email and click on edit. So this is your edit email pane where you can see the content block we are on, and on the right side you can see the preview of the email. Okay, so in the custom blocks you can see the content selection block. So I'll just drag it and drop it here, and on the left side it asks you to select the class you want to show. Okay, so all the classes would be listed here, and the subscriber will receive personalized content within the selected class. So as I talked earlier in the instant content selection overview video, you can create an asset class which is a grouping of similar kind of assets. So once you select that class from here, Einstein determines that which content is which asset is the best suited to the subscriber or to the customer based upon the attributes defined, based upon the matchings defined, based upon the business rules. Okay. So in my example, I'm just gonna make use of banner class. So you can see the distribution of this class. There is active 15 active assets are there in this class. That means 15 these kind of images are present in this class. Okay, so this is just an example of the asset or just a random asset that is being shown here. Now, based upon the customer's attributes or business rules, it will be showing to the customer on the time of the opening of the email. So I'll just click on done editing and I'll just click on save. Okay. So that was all about this video, how you can add your instant content selection block in your email. If you find this content helpful, please like the video and comment on it. For more, please subscribe my channel as Abhishek Bahirwal. Thank you.